Welcome to the Chiefs Arena Transfer Daily Show, where we'll be discussing all Kaizer Chiefs transfer news every day until the end of this current window. Make sure you smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So today on the news, we've got Chadwick Morris and Brendan Peterson. Let's start with Brendan Peterson, who's been offered a new contract. Talks are still ongoing. Of course, there's no rush. Kaizer Chiefs has an option to extend his contract at the end of this current season with 1 year, so there's no rush. I think Peterson has been one of our best players this season, definitely our most improved player. He has taken that number one spot. He's been in the national team here and there, so he's improved a lot. And I've always believed in Brendan Peterson. I always thought he's a good goalkeeper, although he made some terrible errors, costly errors, but he's a good shot stopper, he's a leader, and I think we've seen that this season. So I think this is a great move by Kaizer Chiefs. I think we'll definitely keep him for next season, and I think he'll definitely stay at Kaizer Chiefs. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section on that one. Kaizer Chiefs interested in extending Brendan Peterson's contract. Now let's move to Chadwick Morris, who is on his way out of Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are looking to move him out on loan for the remainder of the season. Mate, I said this last season when we signed him. We signed him in Jan, around this time. I said he's going to flop. I said he was not good enough. And unfortunately, I was proven right. Once again, a terrible transfer comes to bite us in the ass. You know, he's been a flop, only played 9 games, hasn't scored a goal. This season has only played 1 game. So this has to go down as one of our worst signings in recent years. It has to be there with the likes of Gonzalez, Bongani Sam, Lazarus Gambole, Caleb Pimenimana. The list goes on and on because we are shit when it comes to transfers. That's the reality of the matter. We are shit when it comes to selling players, and it's going to be difficult to move him on. There aren't many teams interested in him. Currently, we haven't had any team being interested in him, so it's going to be difficult to move him. It may be impossible to move him right now and try at the end of the season. So once again, a terrible signing comes to bite us in the ass. Chadwick Morris, keep an eye on that one. Set to go out on loan. That's all for today. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section and subscribe to the channel to join the chat. I'm out.